Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my lovely student. Today we are going to discuss practice 2.1c. So this is the question for number 1. Determine whether each of the following pairs of the matrices is equal. So okay, have a look at question A. Here we can see that this is an equal matrix. So for B, as you can see, 0.1 is actually 1/10. And 1.5 also is equals to 3/2. So B also an equal matrix. For C, this is totally not equal matrix because of the dimension also not equal. For D, as you can see, for the first row and second column, here is 9, but for this matrix is 8. So this is not an equal matrix. So not equal matrix. So this is the answer. Next, for question number 2, given that P is equals to Q, calculate the value of X, Y, and Z. So if P equals to Q means every single element in this matrix is equal. So here, the first row and for the first row and first column, the value of the value is 6. So here is X. So X is equals to 6. For Y, Y is equals to 2. And 2Z minus 3 is equals to negative 2. So that we can calculate the value of Z. So the value of Z is 1/2. Okay, if you're not clear, I will show here. So for the third row and first column is equals to this. So 2Z minus 3 is equals to negative 2. So 2Z is equals to negative 2 plus 3 is 1. So Z equals to 1/2. Okay. So for B, 10 is equals to 5X. So X is equals to 2. So here 6Y plus 5 equals to 2Y minus 6. So 6Y plus 5 equals to 2Y minus 6. So 6Y minus 2Y is 4Y. Negative 9 minus 5 is negative 14. So Y is equals to negative 14/4. This one you have to simplify this. Divide by 2. So 14 divided by 2 is negative 14. So negative 7. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this is the answer for Y. So for Z, 3Z plus 4 equals to negative 4X. Since the value of X we already know here, so you just substitute X here with 2. So that you can calculate the value of Z here. You will get Z equals to negative 4. Next, self-practice 2.2a. Determine whether addition and subtraction can be performed on each of the following pairs of matrices. The basic is to perform addition or subtraction, the matrix must be the same dimension. So as you can see, this is 2 by 2 matrix. This one also 2 by 2 matrix. So addition and subtraction can be performed. So have a look at the dimension of the matrix. So the first one is yes. For B, no, because this is 2 by 3 matrix. But here is 3 by 3 matrix. So no. This one also no, because this is 2 by 1 matrix. Here is 1 by 2 matrix. So no. For D, yes, this is the same dimension. This is 1 by 2 matrix. This one also 1 by 2 matrix. So addition and subtraction can be performed. So yes, order. Okay. Number 2. Given that matrix P is this matrix Q, this is matrix Q, and this is matrix R. Calculate P minus Q plus R. So for matrix P, for the first row, first column, 12 minus 8 plus 6. Okay, 12 minus 8 plus 6. For the first row, second column, 1 minus negative 2 plus 3. Okay, do the same thing for this element and this element. So you'll get the answer 10, 6, 4, negative 2. For B, P plus Q minus R. So P is 12 plus Q 8 minus 6. So this is for the first row, first column of the matrix. Do the same thing for the other element. So this is the answer for B. Okay, next, question number 3. Solve each of the following. Here is plus, so you just plus the same element. For example, this one for the first row and first column, just plus with this matrix for the first row and first column. Do the same thing for the other element. So this is the answer for A. For B, minus. So 18 minus 11, negative 3 minus negative 5, negative 7 minus negative 1, and 15 minus 2. So this is the answer for B. For question C, negative 1 plus 4 minus 19 for the first row, first column. For the second row, 6 plus 9 minus negative 3. So this is the answer for C. For D, 2 plus 14, 8 plus 6, and do the same thing for the other element. So this is the answer for D. Next, question number 4. Given that 3A plus this matrix plus this matrix equals to this matrix, calculate the value of A and B. So 3A plus 2 plus 4 is equals to 15. So that you can get the value of A. For the second row, 9 minus B plus 2B is equals to negative 8. So to calculate the value of A, 3A plus 6 equals to 15, so A equals to 3. For B, 9 plus B equals to negative 8. So negative B plus 2B here is positive B of B. So B here you will get negative 17. Next, question number 5. Given that matrix S, so this is matrix S, matrix T, and S minus T is equals to this matrix. So calculate the value of X, Y, and Z. So S minus T equals to 10. So this is for the first row, first column. First row, second column, second row, first column, and second row, second column. So in order to calculate the value of X, so we just solve this. For X minus X is 3X plus 1 equals to 10. So you'll get the value of X. For value of Y, here. So 6 minus negative 7 is negative 1. So negative Y minus 1 is negative 2. Y equals to negative 1. To calculate the value of Z, so is equals to this. Since you already get the value of Y here, just substitute the value of Y into this. Oh, okay, sorry, this is the value for Y. Okay, substitute the value of Y here with 1. So you get the value of Z. Question number 6. Given that this matrix plus this matrix minus V matrix equals to this. Calculate matrix V. So this is for first row, first column, 3 plus negative 7 minus W. This is actually for first row, first column. This is the value of V for first row, first column. This one first row, second column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. This is the value of V for third row, first column. And third row, second column. So you just calculate the value of all the V here, so that for this is the first V, for the second V of V12, this one 11, okay, this one for 21, this one 22, 31, and 32. So the matrix V is this. So this is the value for first row, first column that you get here. Okay, next, question number 7. Mr. Gopal has 2 stores, A and B. The table below show the income and expenses for the sale of food and drink in both stores for the month of June. So this is the income and the expenses. Calculate the total profit earned by Mr. Gopal for each of his stores in the month of June. Show your calculation in the form of matrices. So it is given that profit is equal to income minus expense. So means for store A, so this is the answer for store A. Store A and store B for food plus the drink minus the expenses for food and also minus the expenses for drain. So you will get the profit. So this is the answer. Okay, that's all for this exercise. See you in the next video.